My name is Josiah, or Josiah Garza. I am a senior here at the University of Texas at Austin.
Which paralyzes needed efforts to convert retreat.
My work, Brick by Brick, was just premiered at the 2023 Sound and Sculpture event hosted annually by UT Landmarks.
The immigration system is broken, and everybody knows it. Business owners who offer their work.
My inspirations for this work came from my childhood at the Mexican-American border and what it means to make fundamental change for people's lives and the barriers that exist in them. I like that Mark DiServiero's work, Clock Knot, in many ways also functions as a conversation itself. It has this element of time, it has this large scale to it, and that's what I want for Brick by Brick.
My electroacoustic music work for sculpture Mark DiServiero's sculpture Clock Knot. This work can be heard as an acoustic musical instrumental ensemble with tonal structure, but also it has a lot of noise elements in the electronic parts. In this sense, it's just like Mark's sculptures that has these objects that have this concept of traditional object as a clock, but also have this concept of spatial expansion and movements in his sculpture design of this sculpture.
Hi everyone, this is Rita, the composer of the piece Intersection. So my piece is inspired by Sarah's installation, her idea of altering the built environment and shifting our frame of spatial reference. Instead of creating a beautiful, fluid combination between classics and contemporary writing, Intersection aims to discuss the process of classic and contemporary thought.
Hello, my name is Joe Jackson, and I'm a second-year master's student at UT Butler School of Music and Composition. I got a huge amount of inspiration from the sculpture right behind me, Sarah Oppenheimer's C010106. Another thing that drew me to this work is just my fascination of sculptures, of angles, mirrors, and seeing the sculpture. I was already getting strong thoughts about it, and it's like, oh, I'm already liking when I learned about the surface premises of it. And so doing a walk around, go above and below the bridge, because you're allowed to see like people's reflections from wherever you are, from above and below. It's a really cool thing that the sculpture does, that Sarah Oppenheimer did. And so I definitely wanted to incorporate that into the piece, which is titled Within the Flux.
Within the Flux is a piece that explores the idea of movement, and the